Baruch welcomes students from every nationality as it strives to prepare us to live and work in today's global economy. We come from more than 160 countries and speak more than 120 languages. Our International Student Service Center, or ISSC, is where our 2,000 plus international students go to get all the support they need to make a smooth transition to Baruch. Located on the 7th floor of the Information and Technology Building, the ISSC provides services such as immigration workshops, I-20 assistance, personal counseling, and more. They also make sure to keep up on all the latest immigration rules and regulations set by the United States Citizenship and Immigration Services. The ISSC strives to create a friendly and helpful environment for students from every corner of the world. So if you're an international student here at Baruch, you'll find everything you need at the International Student Service Center.